my channel. Today we're going to be playing Cluster Truck. This is a new game. It's a mobile app, and if you'd like to play this, then I would leave a link in the description. Oh my gosh. So you can play it too. So let's just get started into this. We're going to start level 1. So let's let this load.
Hello, and welcome to...
God, stupid ads. I don't need you. Get out here, ads. No one likes you. So let's go here. Jump. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna make it. Unts. Yeah, boy. I made it. Let's go to the next levels. It's too bad. No one likes you. Okay? Okay. There we go. Okay, next level. We're gonna go. What? Is that truck on top of him? What the heck? Oh my god. God. Oh my god, I can't see how.
I'm legally blind.
The lag. Hope I died from the lag, and I died from the lag. Okay. So let's just retry this. No one likes you again. Sorry. People who like him, I'm sorry. I just don't like him personally. Oh my gosh, the truck's on top of each other again. So let's just go. I'm gonna make it. Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Get off my phone, you ad. Like I was saying, if you'd like to play this game, I'll leave a link in the description. It's called Cluster Truck. I don't know what the game's called, and I'm playing it. I know. I think it's that. Oh my gosh, the lag though, the lag. Let's just turn it. Sorry, I shouldn't move. If you guys don't like laggy stuff, you shouldn't have. Don't look at this. Maybe I should just kill myself to end the lag. Kill myself. There we go. So let's just replay that. Honestly. So, nope. Get off my phone and no one likes ads. Dun 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 dun. No one likes ads. Let's go. Come on. Woo, yeah. No, why aren't you moving? Everyone else is. Yes, the lag though, the lag. But I still made it, so that's good. Next level, hurry up. Get off my phone. The lag. Oh, I thought I was gonna die because of the lag. Oh, yay. Get out of here. I'm gonna make it. Yeah. Hopefully I make it. Yes. I barely made that. I shouldn't have jumped though. Too risky. Nope. Just saying, this video is not sponsored by anyone. I thought it was a fun game to play, so I'm gonna play it. And plus, one of you guys asked me to play this game, so yeah. Oh, I missed. The lag though, the lag. I think I missed because of the lag.
Hello.
Get off my phone. Gosh, stupid ads. Okay, let's go. I think I'm gonna pick this side to go with first, or that side. Oh my god, how did I miss that? Oh my gosh. Get off. No one likes you. Come on. Wonder what level I'm on. Huh. Never thought of that, huh? Oh, that guy wrecked him. Let's go. Go, the lag. Even though if it's laggy, we'll still make it. Yes, I made it, boys. Okay. Get off. I told you already, mate. Okay, let's go. Come on, come on. Oh my god! Oh, everything's exploding. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it off here for now. And if you guys enjoyed it, please subscribe and like, and leave a comment if you want me to do a second half, because there's a second half to this game. I've only played half of it, so tell me if you want to see a second half, and I'll see you guys later.